Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today we're going to talk about positive thinking. Positive thinking is one of the most powerful weapons that can transform our lives and make us well-wishers of the people in our surroundings. It will put our minds too at peace, make our hearts happy, and our souls drenched with God's love. I would like to present some tips that may help in instilling us with this attitude. The first suggestion in this regard is that in our social dealings and interactions with people, we must give them the benefit of the doubt in dubious matters and in uncertain situations. When a positive interpretation of a person's actions or words can also be made, we must try to adhere to it and not distract ourselves to negative thinking and ill estimation. The second suggestion that I'd like to give is that we must try to be less critical of the shortcomings of others and more appreciative of their qualities. If we have to be critical of anyone, it should be our own selves. Highlighting the attributes and qualities of others and encouraging them is perhaps an obligation we owe to them. This is especially true for those younger and junior to us. The third suggestion that I'd like to give here is that we should start using affirmative sentences as far as possible and avoid negative ones. This is a psychological tactic to keep us on track to be positive in our approach. Imperceptibly, it instills in us a positive worldview and makes us ignore the negativities of life. The fourth suggestion that I'd like to give in this regard is that we must never give up in the wake of failures and adverse circumstances. We must continue to get up after every fall and try again after aborted attempts. The will to carry on and work hard earns God's help, which at times comes after a while because He wants to try and test our resilience. The fifth suggestion that I'd like to give to become a positive thinker is that every negative thought should be encountered by counting our blessings. Any such effort will show that God's favors on us easily outnumber the problems we may be facing. This can be termed as gratitude therapy. It makes us realize and dwell upon what we have instead of brooding on what we do not have. It kills negative emotions like jealousy, frustration, and despair. So these are the suggestions that I wanted to give and which hopefully would make us people who always possess this elusive thing that we call positive thinking.